In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your Shopify theme name. Knowing your current theme is important if you want to customize your store, troubleshoot design issues, or update your website in the future. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the left side menu and click on Online Store. This section is where you manage your website design, themes, and storefront customization settings. After opening the online store section, you'll automatically land on the themes page. At the top of the page, you'll see your current active Shopify theme displayed prominently. The name shown here is the theme currently being used on your Shopify store. You may also see additional information such as the theme version, update availability, and customization options. This information can be useful if you're troubleshooting issues, installing updates, or looking for theme support documentation. If you want to explore other theme options, you can also scroll down and click Explore Free Themes or visit the Shopify theme store directly from this page. Different themes offer different layouts, customization settings, and design styles depending on your store's needs. You can also manage backup themes or unpublished themes from the same themes section. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check your Shopify theme name. Thanks for watching and goodbye.